Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! It's Mike here from Health and Fitness 101, your go-to channel for all things fitness and health. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's as fascinating as it is fun: how music enhances your workout efficiency. But before we get into that, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our fitness tips and tricks. Now, let's get into it. Have you ever noticed how your favorite song can make you feel pumped up and ready to take on the world? Well, that's not just in your head, there's a science behind it. Think of your body as a car. Your muscles are the engine, your heart is the fuel pump, and your brain is the driver. Now, imagine if you could give that driver a little boost, a little extra motivation to push the engine harder, to pump more fuel, to drive faster and further. That's what music does to your workout. Research shows that music can help you work out longer and harder. It's like a natural performance-enhancing drug, but without any side effects. It's all about the rhythm and the beat. Your body naturally wants to move in time with the music. It's like a dance, and your muscles are the dancers. The faster the beat, the faster your muscles want to move. But it's not just about the speed. Music can also help you focus. It's like a tunnel, blocking out distractions and helping you concentrate on your workout. It's like a spotlight, shining on your muscles and your movements, helping you perform better. And let's not forget about the emotional aspect. Music can make you feel happy, excited, motivated. It's like a cheerleader, cheering you on, pushing you to do your best. It's like a coach, encouraging you to push harder, to go further, to reach your goals. So, the next time you hit the gym, don't forget your headphones. Your workout will thank you. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep rocking to your favorite tunes. This is Mike from Health and Fitness 101 signing off. Until next time, keep pushing your limits.